This training module will cover shelves, storage, lab case goods, and sinks and fixtures. Let's start with shelves. Shelves attach to wall strips or ultra frame. Multifunction shelves are available in different depths, and the widths coordinate with the width of the frame or space between the wall strips. Multifunction shelves can be installed flat or sloped. There are attachments such as add-on lips or shelf dividers. Next is the Pro Multifunction Shelf. As mentioned in the training module about bases, the riser frame for the Pro or four-legged table bases require Pro components due to the slot design. Here we're showing it on a four-legged table riser frame. This riser frame comes with a spine due to its width. This allows you to mount full-width Pro shelves or half-width Pro shelves. You can see a 30-inch wide and a 60-inch wide Pro shelf. But Ken shelves do not offer a sloped install method. They are flat only. Like hall shelves, the width corresponds to the width of the frame or wall strip distance. The Pro version is used where the Pro riser is. Corner shelves are available for ultra frame. They are only available in laminate and are equidistant on each side. Here there are two 48-inch frames with a two-way connector. Therefore, we are using a 48-inch corner shelf. Like hall components, these can be installed in 1-inch increments vertically on the hanger track. High-density storage is available in 3 high or 5 high units. These can be installed in a flat or sloped configuration. The rollout shelf is lockable and available in 24 or 30-inch wide. These are great for any lower equipment that can't go on the floor. Be sure to consider if or how the rollout shelf can fully extend. Here we have shown an end connector post outboard the ultra frame. This provides the clearance needed for the rollout shelf while providing a means to add it to the floor support, the ultra leg. Center shelves are unique as they utilize the open frame. The sizing of the center shelves is smaller than the frame width to accommodate this. Here we are showing a 30-inch wide frame, and the center shelf is 24 inches. Refer to the product catalog for more information. Center shelves can be flat or sloped. Next, let's look at the storage portion of the catalog. Upon expanding, you will see Systems or Lab. Systems storage is traditional office systems products such as pedestals, pencil drawers, and overhead bins. These can mount to ultra frame, wall straps, or mount to surfaces. Be mindful if using the four-legged table and any lower storage, as you will need a four-legged table version or four-legged table mounting bracket to clear the 2-inch steel tube frame. To draw lower storage for the four-legged table, place the appropriate mounting hardware first, then place the storage unit to snap. As mentioned throughout the training modules, Components mount on the ultra frame, riser frame, or wall strips in 1-inch increments, providing lots of flexibility. Next, we will dive into lab case goods. There are a lot of options here. Let's plan from the floor up. Here we will select the base cabinet height. We will plan case goods along an architectural wall. Base cabinets do not snap to walls. Base cabinets are 22 inches deep. There are separate rear fillers that we will review to achieve different work surface depths. As we approach a 90-degree corner of cabinet configurations, we can anticipate the need for an inside corner filler. Inside corner fillers are available in 1, 2, and 3 inches. They are 35 inches high and cut to fit height and field. For a quick visual modification, we're editing the graphic to the 29-inch height. In an L-shape application, you can see that there is an open space in the back of the corner that will need a support for where the surface or surfaces come together. This is a unique application. Be sure to communicate with the customer or contractor on preference. This is sometimes achieved through the contractor providing support, or it can be achieved through a special end pedestal, metal like all case goods, being attached to the wall. Contact Symbiote with any questions. Now let's look at rear fillers. These are found in the catalog under Cabinet Attachments. As you hover to the graphics in the left pane, you can see fillers for 24 inches, 30 inches, or 36-inch deep surfaces. The rear fillers attach to the base cabinet and anchor to the wall. This provides stability and a means to conceal end plumbing. Once the product has been placed in the model, it will snap to the base cabinet. You can select from the green options box if this is visually to be a left-hand or right-hand filler, and what height. Fillers will always be 35 inches high when ordered and are to be cut to height in the field. Here we're copying over a rear filler to the other side of the case goods run to complete the base cabinets. Next, we will plan a sink application. Expand the sink base cabinets and select the height. Once the cabinet configuration is placed in your model, you can snap fillers, surfaces, and more to it. It is good practice to place your fillers as you complete your base cabinet applications, as these are required for stability and installation, and can be easily missed. Now let's apply a lab surface. Be sure you're using lab sizing module, not system sizing module. Backsplashes snap to surfaces, but do ensure you are using the correct width. If you need a non-standard size, contact Symbiote for specials. For the product catalog and installation instructions, these install with 100% silicone adhesive. Now we're ready to place a sink. For the surfaces training module, surfaces do not automatically come with any cutouts. Cutouts require a special to accommodate the specified sink and any other fixtures. Sink size may be dependent on the depth and width available of the cabinet and surface. Sink are available as drop-in, undermount, stainless steel, or epoxy. When using an undermounted sink, you must also include the undermount sink support, which corresponds to the sink cabinet width. Here is an example of an undermounted sink and a sink support. We offer a few different faucets, all of which will snap to sinks. Eye washes require a surface cutout as well. See the product catalog for product descriptions. Other lab case goods are found as you expand the catalog tree. Mobile cabinets are available in 2 different heights. Suspended cabinets attach under a work surface, or with the 4-legged table mounting brackets. You can select a cabinet width with the 4-legged table mounting brackets for visual purposes if desired, in the green options box. Wall cabinets can be wall-mounted or attached to ultra frame. No extra parts are required if you choose to use wall cabinets on ultra frame. The width of the cabinet and frame must be the same. Wall cabinets can be solid metal doors or glass front doors, each having adjustable shelves. Wall cabinets will generally snap to a wall and then to one another. You can modify the elevation by using the green options box or the page up or page down key on your keyboard. Sloped tops are also available. Floor-based cabinets are 84-inch high double-door cabinets. These must be anchored to a wall. Bottle drawer cabinets are base cabinets to the floor or suspended. They are available in different drawer size configuration and contain adjustable interior dividers. The drawers are flat, not sloped. Here a bottle drawer is shown as suspended, being attached directly to the surface. Be sure to use the proper mounting brackets if attaching to the 4-legged table. Next, we'll illustrate how lab case goods can blend with ultra frame using the legs. Lab legs must be the support if planning with base cabinets. Cabinets do not have a finished top or a finished back. It may take some time to ensure that the sizing of cabinets and fillers fit as intended within a segment of ultra frame. Lab leg front fillers are for use with the lab legs. Cabinet front fillers are a different item that can fill gaps between cabinets. Contact Symbiote for any specials or questions. Lab leg front fillers snap to lab legs. You can select the hand and height. Here we're showing different ways to approach an enclosed fit. A cabinet front filler could be used to close this gap in the middle, or you could put the cabinets together and use a lab leg front filler on the left and or on the right. We understand planning with metal case goods, shelving, or fixtures may come with questions, so please don't hesitate to contact us.